Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the PARAKE store. They're 36 rolls clear packing tape with dispensers, 1.88 inches by 60 yards, heavy duty, 2.7 mil thickness, and it's about 2160 total yards in this package. Now it comes in 12 or 18 or 24 packs in addition to this 36 pack. Gets excellent customer ratings, and it's a strong BOPP acrylic adhesive material that's on here. So there's a lot of applications for tape like this, but primarily it's used for packing and closing up boxes when you're moving or when you're shipping things. So we're going to open this up and we're going to look at the quality. We're going to test it out and test out the included holder on there, cutter on there. So here's a close-up of the dispenser, and you notice it has the tape marked on there. Very, very sharp, which is important. Be careful with that. And it has little ridges on there and there so that you can hold it like that as you're going across the package. Very nice. So let's just give it a try. I've got the included holder on there. And that blade is really sharp. Very simple to do. And it's a very, very sticky. I can just feel it. And look at this. It's like lifting my fingers to print. So you're not going to have any issue with the quality of the adhesive quality of this. Very, very nice. And if you have one of these automatic dispensers, it'll work just fine. I transfer the tape into there. When you finish a roll and you want to use the included dispenser, you can just lift it like that and put the new roll in, and it goes right back in place just like that. So what do I think about the PARAKE store brand? They're 36 rolls clear packing tape with the included dispensers. This is a great value, and as I demonstrated, this tape works just as great as the name brand products out there. Accuracy in the thickness, the mil, and the adhesion qualities of the backing on here is great, and these work excellent also. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.